What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. Today is Tuesday, December the 27th, 2022. It is 10:30 in the morning, and we're talking about Absolute Markets broker. Of course, that is tied to that FX Master Gold opportunity. Before we get started talking about that, we want to remind you guys that we are not financial, or I am not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I'm cranking out that crypto in many different platforms, nothing more and nothing less than that. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. And please, sir, please, ma'am, follow us on Twitch. We've been having a good time over there so far. So I appreciate all the support that we have gotten. We just crossed the 50 follower mark, and we're looking forward to get to 100 followers before the end of 2022. Let's get on into Absolute Markets, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to go ahead and share that. The first thing I want to share is that I did receive my withdrawal, ladies and gentlemen, of $1,000. As you can see, it has been reflected in my account. One thing that I will say about that is it was very easy process. For anyone that has over $1,000 in their account, you can have your address whitelisted with the company. All you got to do is ask them. All right. So you just reach out to them and say, hey, I want to whitelist my wallet address so that all withdrawals go to the same wallet address. Now, here's what happened to me. I put a different wallet address in my withdrawal, forgetting that I had already whitelisted my address. And I used a different address for my Tron link, right? So what they did was they emailed me just to confirm that it was me making the withdrawal. And once I was able to confirm that and give them the address that I wanted them to send it to, they send it right there. And it was awesome. So shout out to Absolute Markets for being security even for my own doing. So appreciate that. This is something that, well, Absolute Markets has been great. First of all, I love how they pay their IB rewards every single day, ladies and gentlemen. The commissions that we making from the IB side, we're getting paid that every single day. We've already had a few days over $100, and we're closing in on that 200 a day mark, which is pretty awesome. We know what it, kind of what we're capable of in this space when PAMM accounts perform. All right, now that's the caveat. That's the outlier. We can bring people to the broker. That's not the problem. The problems have come from the PAMM account. So hopefully FX Master Gold is one that gives us a lot of success going forward like it has in the past. Of course, past performance is not indicative of future performance, but we hope for the best. All right. We understand the risk, and we practice risk management, which was about what that $1,000 withdrawal was. So we're excited about that. We're excited about where we are in this platform, considering up in the ante. But it's just something that has been amazing. And that's more on the broker side. The actual FX Master Gold PAM that everyone has to get if they want to be a part of the growth that we're seeing here and on the passive side of being in this broker. That is what you have to be tied to. FX Master Gold. You can find the link to more information on FX Master Gold in the description below, in the description of the video. It should be fxmastergold.com. Pretty simple. They give you all the information and making sure that you're set up right and doing the right things to be able to be a part of what they're doing in the copy trading sector. It has been amazing. I've even linked my MT4 to it, so I'm able to see what it's doing on a daily basis. I'm able to see the withdrawals, the deposits, the contributions from the referrals, all that great stuff. One thing that I did notice was that some of the the bonus money that was given in the beginning, when you withdraw, a portion of that comes out. It goes back to Absolute Markets. So what I'm learning is that the equity that is trading on, it's Absolute Markets still owns the equity of that 30% bonus, but it allows you to trade at a higher volume. So that's pretty cool. I still think that's cool, regardless, having more money to trade on, whether they take it back or not. That it's a good opportunity for sustainability of the broker, and as well as seeing some bigger gains in our own personal accounts. I'm still learning more about that though, so we'll figure it out. And then of course, one of my favorite portions of this broker is the dashboard. Being able to see this information has been awesome. We are just south of 99 registrations. We'll clap that up. We're reaching those goals, ladies and gentlemen. We have a goal for the end of December to reach 100, and we're getting there. The goal for opening live accounts was 50. We already passed that for the month. And first time deposits, we killed that. So we're now at over 120,000 in total deposits in this platform. And this opportunity is pretty cool. I like how they even give a little bit of a forecast for the end of the week, different things that are going on. So hey, I'm a sucker for stuff like this. This is pretty cool stuff. And of course, partnerships showing accounts and different things of that nature. We'll start seeing this continue to grow. We're at 2 pages worth of referral commissions. Of course, it started off at 28 cents on the 5th, and as you just keep sharing, this is what can happen. From 1 week, we were ending at 15, starting off the week at 44, had a couple days of dip. Now we're getting into that space where we're seeing $100 days. And that's just what can happen if you expose your people to the opportunity. That's all I can say about that. All right. This is another video of Absolute Markets and FX Master Gold. It continues to perform. It's doing its thing. And we'll continue to talk about it as we continue on the journey with it. I think it has been probably so far, based on what I've seen from Absolute Markets, one of the most impressive brokers that I've been a part of. Of course, I'm hoping to see some 2FA, but I'll just speak that in the atmosphere, and when it comes, it comes. But I do like how they have the security measure in place where you can whitelist your wallet address. So anyone over $1,000 of money in this broker, I suggest it highly. And all link shares out there. It is pretty cool what they're doing on the broker side for those of us that are able to bring volume to the platform. All right. Or to the broker. All right. With that being said, put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you and all your wallets, because crypto is indeed the wild, wild west, y'all. If you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. Ask me how I know. It's not very fun at all. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. And follow us on Twitch. Don't forget to do that. Link is in the description below. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.